What's going on, guys? Astro from Hidden Profits Crypto here. Before we get the video started, as usual, I want to give a huge thanks to everybody who's been supporting the channel. I can't tell you guys how much I appreciate it. Anyways, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So for today's video, we're going to do a first look, but I've been getting into mining a lot lately, and mining with different coins, and not just GPU mining, but other options, because getting into GPU mining is so expensive, and it's just, you know, at the time being, it's a lot of effort. I think there's other ways of mining, and I wanted to try to find as many as I could. I've been looking into helium. You guys know I've been working on Chia if you're a subscriber of the channel. And then now I wanted to take a look at Duino Coin. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at the website and see what this coin's got to offer. All right, so we're on DuinoCoin.com. Now, a little bit of insight. I wanted to just take a look at the team and contact before we get into anything else, because I am highly impressed with this project, the amount of transparency and just the community as a whole. Now, this is the dev or the founder, Revox. He is 17 years old and from Poland, as most of the team is relatively young. But this, all of this has been created by this team. They're very transparent. You can go into the Discord and talk to them if you want. I have Revox has helped me set up my Duino Coin mining yesterday. I had a couple issues I ran into, and he actually did respond to me and help, which was wonderful. They are very helpful in the Discord, so if you've never gotten into mining, then this might be down your road. But if you guys want to check out the Discord, make sure you do that. As I said, very active, helpful community, and that's always something very big plus side to look at when you're looking at coins. You don't want to start mining or deal with a project that's dead, or, you know, that there's nobody even there to help you if you have any issues. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and get into what Duino Coin is. It's the only coin that can be mined with computers, Raspberry Pis, Arduinos, ESP boards, and many more. So one of the main focuses of this is that, you know, it can be mined on a lot of different things besides just, you know, like GPUs and CPUs, like the normal basic like proof of work mining. So it's supported by a large number of platforms, friendly and growing community, easy to use and exchange, available everywhere, beginner friendly, cost efficient, easy to mine, and it's open source. So why should you use Duino Coin? It's the only coin that can be mined from an Arduino board, smartphones, computers, and single board computers. So I did just want to go ahead and show you guys, this is actually the same Arduino board that I ordered. It's not like the brand name Arduino, but it was cheaper. So yeah, with just something as simple as this, $13.99, you can get it, you know, same day, free returns, everything if you have Prime. You know, not a bad idea, just something to look into, you know, to get yourself started. So this is definitely something that if you wanted to just dabble in mining and see what it's about, and if you would like it or anything like that, this would be a wonderful thing to either get into it or test and see if you would be able to handle it. Now, I have another video on a different mining coin that's going to be coming out that uses something very similar, but it uses orange pies. So if you're interested and want to hear about that, make sure to hit subscribe so you guys can stay tuned, because that video will be coming out here probably in the next couple days. So you guys won't want to miss out on that. Anyways, yeah, so if you're interested in farming this coin, this is really all you're going to need. A simple $13.99 board, and you're ready to go. So back to the website, and why you should use Duino Coin. It does many things differently than other cryptos. It isn't, it's completely original. Creation isn't a lazy fork. Has instant transactions. You don't have to wait a half an hour to transfer funds. Completely open source in constant development for 2 years. I will go into that bit of more here in a sec. It wants to achieve something in a new crypto world. Its price may go up in the future. Why not give it a try when it's all free? You'll learn something new and make money in the process, which is a wonderful suggestion. It is free. It's something new to learn, which is never a bad thing, and you can make a little bit of money. Not, you know, livable income, but definitely a little pocket change on the side. But being in constant development for 2 years, I did go to the founder, lead developer. I went to his YouTube channel and I was just, checking out stuff, just trying to see what the guy's about, as he is 17. There's a high focus on Minecraft, but then there's also a lot of videos on developing this coin and stuff like that. The kid seems extremely smart, and the fact that he has built all of this, the exchange I'll show you in a minute, the wallet, all that, at the age of 17 is incredible. So to hop on a project for somebody, that might, you never know what this kid might do in the future, and you never know what this coin could do in the future. So anyways, let's go ahead and look at some of the technical specifications of the coin. The ticker is DuCo. There's infinite supply. There was only 350 coins before December of 2020. Now, the coin supply being infinite, yeah, I mean, you could say long term that is an issue, but you're just mining it. It's just for fun. So it's not really anything to take super serious. So the coin supply being infinite, I don't really think is a big deal. 5K blocks or 500 coins pre-mined from early development, which isn't that much. Transaction time is instant, 20 decimals. Price from DuCo exchange. One DuCo is currently 0.0035, so less than a half of a penny. Algorithms are DuCo S1 plus DuCo S1A with more planned, including proof of stake, so that's interesting. Rewards supported by the original Koala system, helping reward miners fairly. And then you can see that there is 6,942 accounts registered on the network. Before we go any further, I did want to take a quick look at the exchange, as it is interesting, and you will want to know how to trade your coins if you are mining for other coins, or what you can trade them for. So you can see that they currently support Duino Coin, Beyond Coin, Coin Magi, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. So from the little bit of looking that I've done, Beyond Coin, Coin Magi, and Litecoin I think are very similar to Duino Coin. I know Coin Magi is another coin that you can farm with like Raspberry Pis and stuff like that. But the biggest one here is Bitcoin Cash. As most people, this is the only coin out of all these pairs that they will know, but it does say more trading pairs coming soon. So how it works is you select a desired cryptocurrency, fill the exchange form, and then you wait for your address to be your assets to be exchanged. You'll be notified an email from us. Yeah, you can read the terms of services and stuff down here if you would like, but we will quickly see there are all these pairs right here. So if you are mining for Duino and you want to swap your Duino to, say, Bitcoin Cash, this is how you do it. So there you go. We're going to go back to the website. So here's all the information that you're going to need to go ahead and get started mining Duino. Now, like I said, I will have a guide coming out here either today or the next day on how to get started farming Duino, what you're going to need, and how to get it all set up. So make sure to stay tuned if you guys are interested in that. But you guys can also check out the white paper and their GitHub. I will leave the link to that down below as well. And lastly, I wanted to take a look at the wallet so you guys can actually see what has been going on since I started my board farming yesterday. So you can see here my miner, I have one Arduino Uno. It's farming at 166 hash. It's been up since yesterday, so not too long, or I should say last night. So it's only been farming probably not even a full 12 hours yet. But my estimated daily profit is 8.50 Duino. This changes quite a bit. Yesterday or last night, it was at 14 Duino. So it does change, but 3 cents profit is what it's looking at me making every day, with currently 3.57 Duino in my balance. So as you guys can see, it does work. It does mine. All this, all made by a 17-year-old kid. It's quite impressive, and I definitely think he has a lot of future ahead of him, and Duino Coin as well. You know, you have to really look at early things when it comes to finding projects very early. You have to look for the signs of somebody who's going to be successful. Why I believe in Chia is because of the guy who made Chia has a very good background and gives me reasons to believe that he will take the project in the right way. This kid is very, very talented, and this whole project has a lot of potential in my opinion. Now, as Duino gets posted on more exchanges, is taken a little bit more seriously and gets more in the spotlight, I don't see the price of it going crazy. As you see, it is under 1/2 cent right now. So we have seen a big dip, but the whole market has as well. So more than likely, this will end up going back up. But I just want you guys to keep that in mind for the future, as that is kind of what I am looking towards. Now, I only have one board currently, but I do plan on upgrading and making a small miner. I believe with this, it is scalable to the point where you can just keep getting as many boards as you want. I don't think there is a limit. So if you want to just go hog wild on it, that is something that you can completely do. But yeah, that's basically about it for this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like. If you haven't checked out my last video, Trending Tokens Episode 1, we took a look at the top 3 trending coins on CoinMarketCap for that day, and we found a lot of really interesting cryptos. So make sure to go check that one out if you haven't. Anyways, that's gonna wrap it up. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys can stay up to date with all my other videos. Follow me at hidden_crypto on Twitter so you can stay up to date there, as well as I post you know, price updates, some calls, stuff like that. So make sure to get in on that if you haven't already. And that is gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, peace.